welcome to Grandad's Reviews. A little while back I did a video looking at this camera here, the Minolta 7D, and some of the Minolta lenses that I've got. And I thought, just do a quick follow-up. Look how sharp these lenses are, and how much detail they can resolve on this camera, and look if there's any difference between them, between the dearer ones and the cheaper ones. So we're looking at this, the 80 to 70 Konica Minolta. We're going to have a look at this 28mm prime, 50mm prime, the 28 to 85 zoom, the beer can version, and finally this cheaper 35 to 80 kit lens that you'd normally get with it. So I've got a little setup, I'll show you here. Setup here of a few things with a bit of detail, and then the camera looking at it. Take some shots, put them on the computer and have a look. So I'll take the shots and then we'll put them on the computer. So I'll take these shots now and I'll see you back at the computer in a short while and see what results we've got. Right, so we've got the images into Lightroom, and let's just have a quick go through them. So we're looking at the 28 prime f2.8, and this is at f2.8. If we zoom in to 100%, pretty good at 2.8. Then we did it at f8, and yep, sharpens up nicely. If we put the two together, you got a little bit of a chromatic aberration on the 2.8, which isn't too bad, but when you got to a f8, it's pretty clear. And then let's jump to the 50mm prime. This is 1.7, so this is f1.7. As you can see, we've got some chromatic aberration. It's a little bit soft. If we go to f8, it sharpens up nice and clearly. So if we do them together, for some reason the f8 changes the colours a little bit, but it sharpens up really nice. So now we're at the 28 to 85. This is 85mm at 4.5. A little bit soft. So we close it down to f8. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was the sharpest, but it's pretty good. And we took it down to 50mm. And this is 50mm at f4. This is the widest it goes. Pretty good. Change it down to f8. Yeah, it made a pretty good difference. Let's put them together. So we've got the f8 on the left here, f4 over here. Yeah, nicely. So then we went to 28mm. This is f3.5. That's pretty sharp. Then went to f8. Yeah. So we put them two together. Sharpens up lovely at f8. Then we went to the cheap kit lens that you would get it, the 35 to 70, I believe. 35 to 80. So at 35mm f4, it's, yeah, not very good. Let's drop it down to f8, and that's pretty good. Not bad at all. Then went to 50mm. Again, wide open, it's atrocious. Drop it down to f8. Yeah, pretty good. Then we went to 80mm. Again, wide open. barely usable. f8, not too bad. And this is a surprise, the Konica Minolta 18-70. Now, I was told that the Konica Minolta version of this 18-70 is better than the Sony. I haven't got a Sony. I may get one in the future, but we will see. So this is 18mm wide open at 3.5, and that's pretty good. Stop it to f8, and there's not a huge amount in it. Certainly sharpens up at f8, but that could just be for the increased depth of field, but that's not bad. And then moved on to 26mm wide open 4.5. Nice. Do it to f8. I'm not too certain on that one. Let's have a look. f8. Yeah, there's not a great deal in it. Then went to 50mm. We're now at 5.6. Pretty good. Not much difference, to be honest. Then we went to 70mm. 5.6 again. Pretty good. So that's 70 f8. So on this side here we've got the 18-70 Konica Minolta, the cheap lens. On this side here, this is 85mm f8 on the dearer beer can version, and I would say that the 18-70, when you zoom in, is a bit sharper. That is a surprise. So what can we say? The primes are good. The 28-80, 28-85 is beer can is pretty good. The kit 35-80 is okay if you stop it down, but that 18-70 is very good. Quite impressed. So that's how these lenses stack up against each other. I don't think you can make a bad choice. I'd stay away from the kit 35-80 because that's yeah, pretty, unless you're just going to use it stop down, you're going to have to stop it down. But yeah, that's what they look like. And as I say, all these lenses are pretty cheap to get hold of, but yeah, they all give reasonably good results. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. That helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.